this is Victoria. How can I help you?
The values that my father instilled in us is hard work, dedication, and honesty. The environment and the culture that we created here at Leros is really what sets us apart. In our business, there's two things that are most important: reliability and safety. When using Fleetio, the importance is knowing exactly what's going on with each one of our vehicles. So Fleetio, with a couple of clicks, allows us to basically see, okay, this car's had X amount of maintenance in this period of time. It's time either for us to retire this vehicle, to invest in this vehicle. We deal with a lot of major corporations, Fortune 500 companies in pharmaceutical, financial, insurance. When you walk into a presentation and you have a software that you can click through and say, okay, this is XYZ vehicle, we spent this much on maintenance, it has this many miles, it's gonna have an oil change next week, and you can go through and detail all of that in one click of a mouse, really blows the client away.
Really, for us, the benefits for Fleetio have been endless. Fleetio allows us to run reports daily, and we're able to understand what it costs us to operate the fleet. We're able to analyze, we're able to look at the downtime of vehicles, and we're able to realize savings because we're on top of this. For example, we have default codes that we get out of Fleetio allow us to identify issues that are happening with the vehicle, and we're able to be proactive as opposed to being reactive.
Our whole business is run on data analytics, whether it's regarding fleet, whether it's regarding fuel, service, on-time performance, everything is based on metrics. And then we take that information and we make ourselves better.
The utilization of Fleetio and Coast has really given us visibility into our fleet like we've never had before, because it now allows us to take all of our information and look at it in one system, which is Fleetio. So we're able to see all the purchases that take place with the Coast fleet card in our reporting and analytics in Fleetio.
It's all about analytics. We need the data to make business decisions for the future of our organization, and we will continue to invest in technology in order to be successful in the future.